So, hey guys, today I'm back with another video, and today we will discuss about the web scraper. So, I've find many web scraping Python script in on the internet on any platform, but I didn't find out the best one or the reliable ones, right? And I don't know why I didn't find out the best one. So, because when I scrap the website, it will scrap only the like a tags, only the one link in the website, right? For example, if in the website, if you have a URL of the website, right, and then it will extract only the main page. Okay, so it will not extract the other pages. Like for example, if the website has multiple links in the one page in the home page, right, it will not extract that links, not extract that pages. It will extract only the home page and on the content and the content of that is not a reliable web scraper, right? So the reliable web scraper is when you have the website, and when you add the URL of the website to the Python script, it will scrap all the links attached to that domain. So that would be the best web scraper. So in this video, um, today I will show you how you can do this, the best web scraper in Python script ever. So you can find out in the internet, but you didn't find that web scraper in Python script. I can guarantee that though. So let's get back to the work here. And here is my screen, as you can see. So that is a very simple Python script that will scrap all the website. So first we have to do import the request library. So for current features, that is the best library I have seen in the Python. All right, so and there is no doubt in it. And there's a time, there is a to parse the content, you have to do this URL parse and URL join and OS library. So import, and this is not gonna work. So first of all, we have to create a class of the web scraper where the app's output file. When when we extract all the data from the website, then it will save the data in a PDF format. So in the terminal, but because if we do not save the content in a file, then it will become messier in the terminal. All right, we can do that. We can show the content in the terminal below, in the VS Code terminal, but that will not a good choice, right? So the good choice is to create content, extract the content and save it in the file. So first of all, what we do is, so the visited URLs and to visit URLs, these two methods are the important methods to it works like the memory of the web pages it extracts. All right, so first it will visit the URLs, all the URLs, the base URL, and then it will extract the content from all the websites or attached to that domain. So then this concurrent features thread pool extractor method will help us extract the website links parallelly in a parallel way. You don't have to wait like first it will extract the first link, then it will extract the second link, then it will extract the third link. No, it will work parallelly. It will work parallelly. It will extract the first link and the second link in a parallel way, then the second link and the third link in a parallel way. So you don't have to wait for such a long time. But But if the website is kind of very huge, is kind of very long, then you have to wait for some times. All right. So you just have to get the URL in the request format, and then you can use the beautiful SOAP for like the format to well align the content. So we are using this XML parser for if you have this such content like Cloudflare's producted links, then it will skip that link. Then it will extract the other links. All right. So error parsing, and then it will extract the A tags, the URL links, and the style script tags, and will extract the script and the style tags, right? And then the two things mainly, it will extract the URLs and the content from the URLs, right? So the valid URL, if you add the valid URL, then it will do this thing. So in the main function, we will do is at the start time, output file for content, we are adding this content in the text format, and which URL I want to scrap this URL. All right, so let me show you what is this URL. So basically it is about After Effects. So this is the website, as you can see. And then I have to just run that thing, test3.py. Then as you can see in the terminal, it is extracting parallelly, scraping all the links it has. The base URL has all the links it is extracting. Wow, that's wonderful. And I'm very excited to show the result to you guys. All right. So what did it say? So the scrapping completed in 145 seconds. So it takes 145 seconds to complete the scrap all the content. So, and the content saved to this scrapped content clean4.txt file. So let me show you this. So where it is? Yeah, there it is. So now as you can see, it extract the content. First it gave me the scrap content from this side. This. As you can see, extract all the text comment, and then it will show you the second link. It gave us all the methods, the description. And then if we scroll down, so all the content it has, right? And that, and then it will close the file with this lines, the link, and then it will start the third extraction, and that's how it will extract the content. Wow, that is beautiful. So I will so you can also, and now if you don't know what to do, like if you don't know what I do with this thing, so you can upload that to ChatGPT, and then you can ask questions to learn from this website, like how you can learn After Effects, right? So if you feed that text file to ChatGPT, then you can create something in After Effects if you are a beginner. So it will help you in many ways. Thank you so much for this video. Take care. Bye. And I will share this code with you in the description below, so check it out.